Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Analytics tutorial. Today we're going to learn what every Google Analytics channel means, what is direct, what is organic search, what is referral, what is cross-network, and so forth in a very easy and straight to the point way. Before we get started, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's go. Direct traffic. Direct traffic means that someone landed on your website directly. What does this mean as an example? We are going to open our browser. We are going to either type a URL address and hit enter and go to the site, or the system is going to autofill. We are going to press enter and go straight to the site, or we are going to open our browser, click on a bookmark and land straight to a website. So direct traffic means that people landed on your website because they know the URL, because they visited your website before and there was autofill, or because they have a bookmark, which means that direct traffic is the result of brand awareness. The better you are in brand awareness, the more popular your brand is, the more direct traffic you are going to have. It is an indicator of branding success. What is organic search? Organic search means that someone was in a search engine like Google. So we were here, we typed something, let's say co-working spaces in Hong Kong, and we clicked an organic link. So we clicked an organic link and we came to a website, we visited a website, and that's what organic search traffic is. Now, if you are curious whether people came to your website from Google, Baidu, Yahoo, you can change the dimension here to session source / medium. You can use the search bar to type organic, and you can see here the traffic came from Google, Baidu, Bing, Yahoo, and so forth. So you know which channels are actually driving traffic to your website, which channels are driving organic search traffic to your website. Now, moving forward, unassigned, we're going to deal with it very shortly, but bear with me. Let's go first through the other channels. Cross-network. What is cross-network? Cross-network is traffic that is coming from Google Ads, traffic that is coming from Performance Max campaigns. Those of you who are familiar with Google Ads, you know there is a campaign type that is called Performance Max that is sending traffic to your website from search, video, display, and so forth, the entire Google ecosystem. This traffic is going to show in Google Ads as cross-network. So cross-network equals Google Ads Performance Max campaigns. On the same note, what is paid search traffic? Paid search traffic means traffic that is coming from Google Ads, paid traffic that is coming from search campaigns, traditional Google Ads search campaigns. What is referral now? A referral means I am on a website, I'm going to find a hyperlink, I'm going to click on this hyperlink, and I'm going to land on your website. So someone is on a magazine website, someone is in a forum, someone is in a blog, they find a link, they click the link, they come to your website. This is referral traffic. If you are curious to see where the referral traffic is coming from, then you're going to go to session source / medium. You're going to use the search bar. You're going to type referral. You're going to press enter. And here you're going to find a list of all the websites that are sending you referral traffic. So that's what referral traffic is. Someone is in a different website, blog, forum, and so forth. They click a hyperlink, they land on your website. If you are curious to know more about what are these platforms that are sending referral traffic to your website, go to session source / medium, type referral, all the referral sources will come up, and you can actually check all the referral traffic on your website. That's referral. What is now email? Email means you are sending email campaigns to maybe your subscribers. You have a database, you are sending email marketing campaigns. People are clicking a link and they are coming to your website, and this traffic is going to be grouped under email. So you have MailChimp, HubSpot, another email marketing tool. You are sending basically emails to your subscribers. People are clicking a link, they land on your website, that's email traffic. What is organic social? Organic social means people are on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, any social media channel. They click on a link organically, not advertising, organic link, and they come on your website. That's organic social. What's organic shopping? You have a shop on TikTok, you have a shop on Meta, Instagram shop, for example. People go to your shop, they click a link, they land on your website, they come. That's organic shopping traffic. What is organic video? People are on YouTube or any other video platform, Dailymotion and so forth. They find a link, they click, they come to your website. That's organic video, not advertising, organic traffic that is coming from video platforms. What is display? Display means that we are running paid campaigns either on Google Ads or other platforms, programmatic campaigns, for example, and people click the banner and they land on the website, and that's display traffic. So that's the most common channel groups. Now, what is unassigned traffic and how Google Analytics knows what is, for example, email traffic, what is display traffic, why we have unassigned here? Let's explain that further and let's go deeper. In order to do that, we first need to understand how Google Analytics works. And I'm going to explain in the simplest possible way. So let's say you have a website and there is incoming traffic. So there is traffic that comes to your website, right? So when traffic comes to your website, the first thing that Google Analytics will do is to detect the source. The source means where the traffic came from, the website that the traffic came from. So for example, traffic came, let's say, from Google, traffic came from Facebook, traffic came from, let's say, a random website, platform, and so forth. So this is the source. So the first thing that Google Analytics will do is try to identify the source. The second thing that Google Analytics is going to do is to identify the medium. So what is the medium? The medium is the type of traffic. And what do I mean by type of traffic? Some traffic is organic, some traffic is, as we've seen, referral, some traffic is paid, some traffic is, let's say, display traffic, some traffic is affiliate. So now, based on the source and the medium, Google Analytics is going to group the traffic. So traffic lands on your website, Google Analytics will detect the source and the medium, and is going to group the traffic into basically what we just explained, channel groups. So what we see here in traffic acquisition report under the session default channel group dimension is the grouping of the incoming traffic. So the first reports that are created technically are the session source / medium, session source. Traffic comes in, Google Analytics groups the traffic in direct, organic search, referral, paid search, email, blah, blah, blah. And how does Google Analytics do that? They do that based on a very specific rule book that you can find on this link that is in the video description below. So if we scroll down now on this link and we go to channels for manual traffic, let's give an example. So for example, if traffic comes on our website and the source matches, let's say, Facebook, and at the same time the medium matches, let's say, PPC retargeting paid, this means that the traffic is going to be grouped under a bucket that is going to be called paid social. If, however, let's say the source matches, let's say, a video site is YouTube, and at the same time the medium is, let's say, any of these keywords, then the traffic is going to be grouped under paid video. If traffic comes in and, for example, either the source or the medium is email, then the traffic is going to be grouped under email. If traffic comes in and, let's say, the medium is display or banner or something along these lines here, then the traffic is going to be grouped under display. Now, what does this mean for our Google Analytics, and what does this mean for our grouping here? It means that what you see here under session default channel group is as good as our labeling. In order to have correct labels, we need to assign what we call UTM tags to all our incoming traffic. This means that every time that we run specifically paid campaigns, so every time that we run campaigns on Meta, every time that we run campaigns on TikTok, every time we send an email, every time we run programmatic advertising, we need to create what we call UTM parameters. And how these UTM parameters work. So recently I created a UTM tool here that you can find on my website. This is a UTM builder. You can find many of these tools. How this works, so let's say I want to drive traffic on my website. I'm going to put the link where I want people to land here. So let's say we run an email campaign. And then I'm going to use this logic to label the traffic in a way that Google Analytics can understand it. So if we want this traffic to be grouped under email, either the source or the medium should be email. So the source here, maybe we can say is email, or maybe we can say that the medium is email better. And the source is, let's say, our promo campaign. Right, so the other parameters, I'm going to skip them. I'm going to generate the URL, and this is the link that I'm going to use for my email campaign. Meaning, when I am about to send this email, this is going to be the landing page. So when people land on this page, so if people, let's say, come here and land on this page, the Google Analytics software will pick up the source and the medium, and it will group this traffic under a bucket that is called email. Now, in this UTM builder tool, I created in a way basically that is automatic, meaning that you want to label something under, let's say, paid social, Facebook ads. You click here, Facebook ads, the parameters are automatically filled. You want to label something as, let's say, Instagram ads or display or affiliate, or this is a promotional email, you click here, and then the parameters are automatically filled. Why this is important? Because I promise I'm going to speak about unassigned traffic, and this is what we do all this time. If incoming traffic to Google Analytics cannot be recognized, then the traffic is going to be labeled as unassigned, which means if I use UTM tags, but I don't really use it correctly, and I use it in a way that doesn't fall under, let's say, the instructions here, and Google Analytics cannot understand where to group this traffic, then it will group this traffic under unassigned. But if I don't use UTM tags at all, if I don't use, let's say, the UTM builder tool to create these tags, then the system, yes, will correctly, let's say, attribute direct and organic search and to a certain extent referral, but you're going to see again a lot of unassigned traffic, and sometimes the tool may actually take your paid social traffic or your display traffic, and it may mistake it for referral traffic or even, let's say, direct traffic to a certain extent. So the recommendation here is for every paid activity, whether this is ads on Facebook, on TikTok, on Reddit, on, let's say, display platforms, even on Google Ads, although there we have auto tagging, you always need to label everything correctly. You need to build these UTM parameters, the UTM tags as we call them in digital marketing, and you need to help Google Analytics understand how to group this traffic into buckets, right? So that's everything you should know about the channels in Google Analytics. You may have more questions. If you do, let me know in the comments, or there is a link in the description that you can actually send me your questions directly, and I will try to create other video tutorials based on these questions. That's it for now. Thank you very much for watching the video, and have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.